Challenger. I'm oh, look at that turkey. I'm riding solo right now for an hour or two, and I'm going to check out this little field here that Time Saver got the Merc Dime from the other day. And I'm just going to do it real quick for about an hour and a half or so, and see what we get. And I will post any videos that I find, any good finds. I'll get back to you. Alright. So, back in the back of the farm here, in the back of the field, got a nice signal. Looks like an old, real old bear trap, or some kind of animal trap. Pretty interesting. I think I might keep that. All right, I'm going to continue digging, try to find some more good stuff. Just popped out an old shotgun shell. You can see that there. Yeah, it's something at least. Yeah, so finding some stuff here. I'll get back to you. Finally, I think we might have found something. This might be a nickel on the surface here. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, no, it's not. You know what it is? It's a shotgun shell. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna do this live dig. Mike's digging over there. I'm digging over here. I got something in the ground. It sounds pretty good. Out here with our AT Pros, with the big nails and big coils, and let's see what we got here. Hopefully something good. Time Saver found a Merc Dime here earlier, so we're hoping to repeat that process.
Yeah,
first silver of the year for Mike. I'm still not getting any readings here. Am I off? Might be off the hole a little bit here. Hitting a lot of rocks in here, Mike.
Now, don't be whispering while you're videotaping like your other videos.
Oh, yeah.
Change that cover, right?
No whispering, man. Yeah, I did.
You're on the cover, that's why.
I had the waterproof cover on. I'm not getting anything. What is going on here? Well, let me get back to you. I'm going to dig this up and see what I find. We can do a live dig. I was a little off here, I think. Seems like there was 2 readings here. Hopefully it's something decent after all that work, right? Oh. Huh, it's still there. Oh, it's right there. All right. Let's get this small shovel out. Garrett shovel here. Seems pretty big, actually. Get this rock out of here. Let me cut the video. I'll get back to you. So I've been picking up all kinds of aluminum and got a 76 tone, and this is what I found. A buckle. I can't even see it on the thing, but if you can see that on the camera there, old buckle.
Right down a little lower.
Yeah. It's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad.
I don't know what kind of buckle that is, but it's a buckle.
Yeah. That was a good tone.
Brass, that's fine.
It's cool. Something. A little dark out here, but just to wrap it up here, a bunch of junk, really. A bunch of shells, rifle rounds, pull tabs, an old shotgun, couple old shotgun shells, buried pretty deep. Rusty nail, some mason jar. It looks like a piece of it. Don't know what that is. That looks like a bullet. That's not even been spent. I'm not sure. more shells. Piece of iron, I'm not sure what that came from. It has some teeth on it. Looks kind of like a piece of a gun, actually. Like a slide or something, I don't know. It's weird. Big chunk of plow iron. Another big chunk I found. It's very deep in the ground. Some pieces of arrow that were crushed up. That were all chopped up. And this is pretty cool. Found this. This is interesting. This was pretty deep. And the old relic trap here. Pretty neat. And yesterday when I was here, I got this out of the ground. This is nice. A buckle. So that's probably the best thing I found here today, between today and yesterday, for a few hours. And that about wraps it up for right now. It's too dark to continue, and I will probably try this again maybe this weekend. Alright, until then.